Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to hard reset Emerson Thermostat. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Emerson Thermostat here, resetting it can help you a lot. Now to hard reset it, what you need to do first is you need to locate the appropriate buttons. So first is you want to look for the menu button. So usually it's going to be at the front here, and in this case it's going to be labeled as menu. Next is you want to locate the backlight button. So usually it's going to be at the very top here. It's going to be the backlight button that turns on your screen here. Now, in this case, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and press those two buttons together at the same time. And you just need to continue holding this for several seconds until the thermostat screens actually turns off. Now, keep holding the buttons until the thermostat powers down and then reboots. Now, once the screen turns back on, the reset is complete. You can go ahead and let go of the buttons. Now, this actually erases all the previous settings that you have, so just wait for it to reboot completely, and you can go ahead and reset it up again in your home. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.